Hello. So I am on a completely empty study room. It's kind of late. Everybody went to their houses. But I got this idea to talk that I wanted to share. Let me position this. So I have been noticing in the last couple of years that machine learning models, they are getting very similar to commodities. That means that they are being in such a state of the art stage that everyone could pick a specific model from the shelf and use it to his use case. Well, that's not exactly what we see, but I think we are going into that direction, because I can see clearly that the bar to get into ML, let's say machine learning positions, is getting lower in this criteria of knowing what the model is actually doing. Because I remember doing machine learning interviews that were pretty hard, and I had to explain what the random forest is doing, what XGBoost is doing, what is gradient descent, and we know that 99% of the jobs you will not concern too much about this theoretical aspect, and as the models are getting more similar to commodities, I think that bar, well, will get lower. And we have this term that is called AI engineer, but actually most of the AI engineers, they are not AI engineers. I would say they are AI operators. They pick models from Hugging Face, they do call LLMs from OpenAI, Anthropic, and build their use cases for their companies, but they don't have like a very deep knowledge on what is going on. So they are operators. They pick state-of-the-art models, and then they try to throw all of them, a lot of options to his project and see what sticks, right? So I am seeing that we are going to have these AI operators, AI managers, you name it. So yeah, developers that don't have too much knowledge on the machine learning aspect, because these models are getting such a state of the art, and maybe something that will differentiate developers more in this area of AI would be, let's say, developers that have specific knowledge or business domain in a specific project. If they have this high level knowledge of this specific area, let's say biology, a model to detect if a cell has a specific substance, I don't know. Yeah, maybe that will be a differential. And I see that probably the AI researcher, the guy that has a PhD, that really knows the technical, mathematical, statistical aspect of those models, maybe that position will be very, very, very valuable in the future, because those are the guys that are driving the state-of-the-art development. And when I say AI researcher, this not necessarily is someone that works on a university, could be on a R&D department of a big company. So yeah, in summary, I think ML models are getting to this stage of being commodities. I see that most of the AI engineers should be called AI operators. I see that maybe a differential in the future would be people that have a specific business knowledge on a specific problem. And also I see AI researchers in the upcoming years they will be very, very valuable, and it will be a very slow percentage of everyone who tries to thrive in this ML AI field.